Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making New York style red velvet and white chocolate cookies. So for these you're going to need some plain flour, some granulated sugar, bicarbonate of soda, light brown sugar, 1 egg, unsalted butter, some salt, vanilla bean paste, cocoa powder, white chocolate chips, baking powder, and of course some red food colouring. So we're just going to start by combining both the sugars with the butter. Right, so once the sugars are all combined into the butter, we're just going to add the vanilla bean paste, which might be a bit sticky. There we go. The egg, and 1 teaspoon of the food colouring. I'm just going to mix all of this together. So once that's all mixed in together, you should have a really nice vibrant red. And now we're just going to add in everything else except for the chocolate chips. So we've got our baking powder, the salt, cocoa powder, the flour, and the bicarbonate of soda. And I'm just going to give these a stir until it's all combined. So now our dough is formed, so now we're just going to add in the chocolate chips. And mix it into the dough. So we're all ready to measure out the cookies now. I'm going to go for about 90 grams per cookie, but if you prefer a bigger one then go for 100. So we're just going to measure them out into balls and then we're going to freeze them for 30 minutes. So it's been half an hour, so now we're ready to bake. I'm just going to bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes. So once you've taken them out the oven, just leave them to cool for about 10 minutes, and I recommend you eat them as soon as they're cool, the best while they're still gooey and warm inside. And then there you have it, that's all there is to make red velvet cookies. They taste divine, smell wonderful, and they're a strong favourite in my household. I highly recommend making these. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more baking videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!